In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales goals in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot global home and click on sales right here. After that, you just need to look for the goals right there or the actual options for this. Alternatively, you can also click on the search HubSpot and search right here for goals. You should be able to find goals right into the apps right there. So click on this right here. Once you have clicked on it, you will be redirected to the goal page of your HubSpot. You will be welcomed with this banner, so click on this create a goal, and then choose right here what kind of goal you want added. So on my case, I'll choose right here this meetings book and click on this set goal. We have in here this template and input right here the goal name. So for example, let's name this year-end meetings. And then input right here the user goals. Let's assign right here themes and input right here the cadence. It can be monthly, weekly, or quarterly. Once you have done that, click onto this next. And in here you can choose your 2025 targets. So since it's already December, let's input our target only on December 2025 of around 10 meetings booked. After that, click on next. And then choose right here the settings you would like to add. So let's choose right here this goal becomes achieved and goal becomes missed. Click on done. After you have done that, you can go to goals and from there you should be able to see that your goals has been successfully created. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.